been a crazy week. Had a lot of stuff going on. And the main thing is to just breedings and taking care of the dogs. Getting the house, situated for the dogs. It's been a little while since we had some puppies, so, of course we got to get everything back in the swing of having puppies around, So anyway, had a 4-bay last week, ended up going to South Carolina. Probably the fastest delivery and had in a long time. I mean, not as far as the distance, but as far as, I probably set it up about 1 hour and 45 minutes. And by myself, that unloading, moving, and setting up, that's just, not the typical. Of course, we got the same problems as usual, supplies, but we working on that. And we're just gonna take it piece by piece, day by day. Got to sometimes when the world's kind of crazy like it is. Anyway, today we're gonna build a 4-bay. This one is going to Chattanooga, Tennessee. And still trying to get options together for the shop behind me. Taking care of business, spending time with the family. Spend as much time as possible with the family. So anyway, we're gonna get right into it.
W Beats with another banger. Turn it up. W Beats with another banger. Turn it up.